a topic sample, weather. I'm going to pick that one. Weather played a really important role in this trip for me because I hate being cold. Hate it. I can sweat all day, don't care, but I really hate being cold. So I wanted to talk about the Paris weather when I first landed, wearing coats, winter coats, like cold winter coats in the middle of June when it almost snowed, thawing out in the Riviera. Why I loved that so much. And during all the chores and the labor that I did, wearing multiple layers and then peeling and then layering and peeling and layering on. So as an example, that would be my weather topic and then certain items that I wanted to talk about. They're not necessarily people or places specifically all the time, but the weather was the main character in that one.